Amber Alert.
A civil authority has issued a child abduction emergency for the following counties/areas. Florida at 4:11 p.m. on February
Florida
16,
Amber Alert.
2021, effective until 6:11 p.m. Message from WDFA/CAP. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Tinley West. The white female, 1 year old, 2 feet tall, 22 pounds, blonde hair and blue eyes, last seen in the area of the 2600 block of Green Valley Street in Valrico, Florida. She was last seen wearing a yellow shirt with rainbows and tan pants with rainbow prints. She may be traveling in a 2018 white Volkswagen Tiguan, Florida tag number WBR587. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office at 813-247-8000 or 911 #Flamber. A civil authority has issued a child abduction emergency for the following counties/areas. Florida at 4:11 p.m. on February 16, 2021, effective until 6:11 p.m. Message from WDFA/CAP. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Tinley West. The white female, 1 year old, 2 feet tall, 22 pounds, blonde hair and blue eyes, last seen in the area of the 2600 block of Green Valley Street in Valrico, Florida. She was last seen wearing a yellow shirt with rainbows and tan pants with rainbow prints. She may be traveling in a 2018 white Volkswagen Tiguan, Florida tag number WBR587. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office at 813-247